Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one.
What's up, QC gang? I am back with another video, and today we are going to be baking a dish that I haven't made, I guess, in a long time. I have made it before, but not in a long time. I got my hair pulled back. I have washed my hands. I'm freezing because low-key I just got out the shower, so my hair is still a little wet. I had to wash it. But anyways, guys, so like I said, we are going to be doing the banana nut bread. Yes, and I'm gonna teach y'all my recipe, and yes, let's go. Okay, so for the banana, no, not the banana, the flour. Ooh. By the way, y'all probably put the bananas on. What is she doing? They're supposed to be extra ripe, if y'all did not know. But anyway, so kind of low on flour, so I gotta use stupid tax. I don't have a sifter, so it's not getting sifted. One. And a half. I'm gonna do all the dry ingredients first and then the others. Okay, so it says 1 teaspoon, but I'm gonna use a tablespoon. Baking soda, and it's like flat across. I'm not gonna kill it. And then 1
like a war?
of baking powder.
A war. Oh, the war.
Alright, so now I'm going to do some ground nutmeg. It didn't call for nutmeg, but I just like whatever that nutmeg creams. Then a half a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that in there because you know. Okay. And I think that's for all the dry ingredients right now. So then we'll get to the next part. Oh, I can't forget. It asked for some salt. Salt, it just helps. I'm just gonna do like a little, you know. Okay, and then I'm not gonna put the butter in yet. So we're gonna do that. It's gonna call for some vanilla. I always do a cap because that's just who I am. I'm just a bougie crew. Okay. Then it asks for 2 eggs. So I'm gonna take those out. Guys, I know this is a mess. I know it's a mess, but it's gonna be good. Alright, just give me 1 second. Okay, so I asked for 3/4 of sugar. I forgot about that. Okay. Then the riper they are, once they like start cooking, the better they'll taste. Brixton's giving me the weirdest look. You don't think so? I'm gonna mush them down. Okay. Mush it. Alright, and it calls for 2 of these. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all the one, but the 2 will be in there, I promise. Guys, before I continue, I'm just gonna go ahead and put like some of this stuff up real quick. I don't like this being messy at all whatsoever. Let me go ahead and put the rest of that in there. It was just like very minimal. Okay. And I'm doing the last banana. I just want to make sure it's wet. Oh, what was I thinking, Dad? Okay. And then, alright guys, also it says to bake at 350.
No.
I'm gonna bump it up to about 375 and bake for 45 instead of 60. We're just gonna see, right? It's a new thing, and it says for crushed walnuts, and all I got is shelled. So I'm gonna do the 3/4 in the cup, or I'm gonna do a whole cup because it has to be crushed, right? Dump them all in here. Alright, and y'all know we broke baddies over here. So I'm just gonna crush them with this. You don't gotta wake the whole neighborhood up though. And I'll get back to y'all after they're crushed. Got our whole bag of our walnuts. Okay. Then I'm just gonna leave about this much just in case, because I don't want it. I don't want it like super thick, and none of these ingredients are gonna kill it. I don't want it super thick and like super chunky where it doesn't mix up. But anyways, I'll be right back. Alright, so I got to like melted down butter a little bit, but it's not all I melted down. I'm ready to give it the good old-fashioned mixing with her hand, and I'll be back.
People.
Okay, Casey gang, I finished. Anyways, guys, thank y'all so much for being here for this video. It is literally, hold on. Look how moist it is. Well, it's hot still, but look.